This is the final part of the short video series describing the construction of a grandfather clock from a kit. Some of these pictures show different stages of the construction seen in the previous videos and also include a couple of videos of the working clock. The pendulum and its bob can be seen through the door glass, and although this was functioning correctly with an even beat of the pendulum, the timing needed some trial and error adjustment. If the pendulum runs too slowly, then you adjust the bottom screw beneath the bob by turning it clockwise. This is effectively shortening the pendulum very slightly, which increases its speed and therefore the clock timing. If the clock is running too fast, then the adjustment is counterclockwise to enable the pendulum bob to be slid downwards. This is a delicate operation as you need to ensure that the pendulum is not pulled or disengages from the upper mechanism. It is best to hold the pendulum so that there is no strain imposed. Fixing the chimes mechanism was fairly tricky as the chime rods needed to be bent into a vertical position so that they would not foul the hammers or any part of the mechanism, and especially the swinging pendulum. Once this was achieved, an attempt had to be made to finally position the chime rods so that they not only receive contact with the hammers, but a pleasant sound is achieved. The hammers also must not be in contact with the rods in their rest position, but this is achieved by gentle tuning and some trial and error. I hope that you have enjoyed these videos and may even be inspired to take on such a project, although possibly on a smaller scale. I may include further videos on other smaller projects I have engaged in. Please feel free to provide feedback via the comments below. And finally, thank you for watching.